Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Today we're gonna discuss Starter 84's question, which is max binary. It is first question of division 2. So let's see what is the question. So in this question, we are given with a binary string and we have to maximize its decimal value. We can do two operations. Either we can insert 0 at any position in the string, or we can change any 0 to 1, and we have to maximize the strings. We can do at most k operations which will be given, and we have to find what is the maximum binary which we can achieve. Okay, so it's very simple problem. Let's see what we can do and how. Let's see first how we can increase binary value. So if we have a binary and we want to increase its value, so as we know, if we will add is 10 in this, then all the indexes of it will increase by 1, and this whole value will become twice. Let's see how. If its index is 0 1 2 3, then it is 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 1. And if we added one more 0, then all the indexes change and increase by 1. So this become like this because it will be to the power 4 plus to the power 1. So if we want to increase, so this will be the most optimal way to increase. So first we will find if there is any a 1 at highest place or not. Like if we have a string like this, so if we will start adding 0 directly, then we will not be able to achieve maximum. To achieve maximum, first we have to change the 0 to 1, the first 0 in this string from left side. If it is 0, then we will change it to 1. If it's not 0, then we will not do anything, we will just start adding 0. So now let's move to the code. So here is the code. First we will take input as usual, and now this is nothing. So from I is equal to 0 till I is smaller than as dot length, which will move from 0 index to last index. And we are checking if we have if on first index we have 0 and rk is greater than 0, then we will change it to 1. Directly we will print out and will decrease k. Otherwise we will directly print out all the string as it is given, and then whatever will be our left k will print 0 after this, and by this we will achieve our answer. Now let's run it and check. So this is hatching. Now let's submit and check is it correct or not. Okay, so it is correct. Thank you for watching.